T8.3. In a random sample of 100 students from a large high school, 37 regularly bring a reusable water bottle from home. Okay, so from that, we can write the sample size is 100, and the sample proportion is 37 over 100, or just 0.37. Okay. Which of the following gives the correct value and interpretation of the standard error of the sample proportion? Okay, so the standard error of the sample proportion is the square root of p hat 1 minus p hat over n. Okay. Now, don't worry about having to memorize this. In fact, if we go take a look at the formula sheet, I think I got it right here. There, right. You're going to be given the standard error formula on the test. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in. So this will be the square root of 0.37 times 0.63. I just did the 1 minus part in my head, divided by 100. And this is approximately, let's see, 0.048. And now the interpretation. Okay. So a standard error is really an estimate of the standard deviation. So this estimates the standard deviation. So we're going to interpret it like we would a standard deviation. And the sentence structure has the phrase typically varies from the mean. Right. Or in this case, we could say that the estimates that we get from our samples will typically vary by this much, about 5%, from the true value. Okay. All right, so if we go through the answer choices, we could eliminate A because it has the wrong value. Same with C. Same with E because it doesn't even show a value. Okay. So then between B and D, right, we can just see that D uses the correct phrase. Typically varies from the mean, or in this case, from the true value. Okay. All right. So yeah, I didn't even have to read the whole answer choice, right? I found the value, eliminated 3 out of 5, and then just kind of look for keywords, right? And the keyword I'm looking for is typically varies, right? That's how you interpret a standard deviation, or in this case, a standard error.